Okay, so again, for quizzes and tests in this course, I'll ask you to show your work for some of your problems, not all of them. So when you're in your quiz, this is for my Calc 1 class, but whatever class you're in, it works the same. Your quiz will look like this, or your test. It's going to be WebAssing. It's going to look a lot like your homeworks. You're going to have less attempts per problem. For this quiz, or for a quiz, you're going to have 2 attempts per problem. And then if there's no show work box, then you don't have to show work. You just put your answers in like you would homework, right? And for example, something like this, there's no work to do. You're just using the graph to answer the question. Here it is, show my work required. So you'll see it. It's pretty obvious when you need to do it. It comes up here, and you have 2 options to show your work. You can either do your work neatly on a piece of paper, pencil and paper preferably, so you're not scratching out any mistakes in ink, and you can upload that. And that works much like you would just attaching a file to an email. Easy. Or you can use, you can just type in your work. For this one, actually, just probably a couple lines. Now, if you're in Calc 3, most likely you're going to be uploaded a file because you're going to have some long problems there. But if it is a short, if there's not that many steps, you might just want to use the equation editor here, and you'd have to type in step by step what you like, exactly how you do it on a piece of paper. Okay. Other options would be if you have a better equation editor than this one, like DOM equation editor or something online, or even like writing on the screen, which you're not able to do in here, but you could, and then save it as a file to upload. Okay, so you could even upload a nice equation editor answer from like an external equation editor. Okay, so essentially those are your 2 options. Do your work in here, type it in using this equation editor, or upload some type of file, either handwritten, written on an iPad, or maybe an external. And then when I grade it, I can see what you're doing and give you some feedback. Okay.